Hi, this is Jimmy from Warmup. Today's Tech Tuesday, so I'm giving you 1 minute of information on our relays, primarily how to wire them. So, when it comes to the relay, when you have over 15 amps going into your floor from the cable, you're gonna need an extra relay. So as you can see here, the T is the thermostat. This is where the relay connects to it. The thermostat has a black and a red wire that go to 0 and 1 on the relay. Now every relay also needs its own circuit, whether that be 120 volts or 240 volts. So the B over here is for the breaker. Your hot, represented by the black, will be going to the 8 on the relay. And the second hot or neutral, which is represented by the red, will go down to the 4. Now your C is your cable, which is what's heating. Your hot from the cable is going to connect to the 6 on the relay, and the neutral or second hot is going to go to the 2 on the relay. If it is wired like this, your floor will have no trouble heating. Feel free to check out more videos from Warmup on our YouTube page, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next Tuesday.